If you're looking to buy Chrome for $10, Moncleese's for $70, CPF M's for $50, or even a good old Rolly Avalanche about $80, this is the exact video you need to be watching.
I look like money.
Thank you again for tapping back in. It's your boy called Chris. In today's video, like the title says, it is a full Kakobuy tutorial. How to buy any items, and I mean any items from China. So I'm gonna show you guys how to sign up, how to find the items, how to find QC pictures, trusted sellers, shipping coupons, as well as get $15 off your first shipping haul, and continue that little method, you feel me? So without further ado, let's get right into the video. First thing first, you want to create your Kakobuy account. So head to the link in my description, and it's gonna bring you to this link tree right here. And the first link right here is going to be the sign up. So once you're in there, it's gonna bring you straight to the official site where you can use your email, Gmail, and whatever to sign up, you feel me? And I feel like you can make up to 6-7 accounts. And once you're signed in successfully, it's gonna bring you over to the user center. And this is where you're gonna be able to look at all your coupons. First thing first, Kakobuy gives you a $15 shipping coupon when you first sign up. So go ahead and use code Chris, and as well as a tip, you're gonna get a $15 coupon for every account. So you could re-rock that shit, you feel me? But go ahead and put code Chris right there, and you're gonna get a $15 coupon on your first shipping. All right, so now that you're in, let's go ahead and find some items. All right, there's 3 main ways to find some items, super simple and easy. First way is reverse image search. So if you go to Google right here, and we gonna search up something super simple like hoodies, boom, you can see it's gonna bring you any kind of hoodie. You could drag that all the way to Kakobuy. It's gonna do a reverse image search for you. It's gonna bring up the exact hoodie or hoodies alike. So that's one way to search if you're looking for anything, just a broad search, but you low-key you can find the exact match. I kind of like these licensed hoodies right here. These are still kind of fire to me. So once you pick your item, go ahead and check the photos, check the grams, and check overall measurements. So you can see this XL goes all the way up to triple XL. Just make sure it fits and it's a good size. And that's one way to find the item. Second method is gonna be Spreadsheet, gang. Spreadsheet. So if you guys go back to my link tree and to the second link right there, it's gonna be my spreadsheet. If you guys check it out, it's super detailed. I got a little bit of help with it, but hoodies, t-shirts, shoes, jewelry, whatever, even clicking at jewelry, it's gonna bring you right there. And if you're looking for something detailed, if you Control F, it's gonna, in search of anything, I can search of Jordan. It's gonna pop up Jordans right there. All the way 1s, 4s, I have that shit. So that's one way to look for it. Chrome is on here. The Chrome bracelet I was just showing you guys is on here. And if you're looking for like anything, I got ERD, that's gonna be on my next haul. So if you found what you wanted on the spreadsheet, it's the simplest way. You could just click the link and it's gonna send you to Kakobuy with the full details. All you gotta do is add to your cart. And for the third method, it's gonna be Reddit, man. Reddit is definitely goated. It's the overall rep community. You feel me? You can find absolutely anything. If the link is still alive, you can find anything. As well as there's sellers that post and a whole bunch of shit. So on my Reddit, you can see the first thing. I'm not even part of this community, but reps fine. There's hauls all the time. And then this is personally my favorite Reddit is Quality Reps. I feel like I find a lot of good shit on here. I just found like some crazy Supreme hoodies. Right, boom. First thing you see Vetmont Bomber. And that's a good seller. Satin Made, that's a really good seller. And main Reddit is Fashion Reps. Everybody uses Fashion Reps. I feel like this has been around for like mad long. It's more mainstream stuff. You see the Ralph Lauren and the Carhartt, boom. And that's really about it. That's 3 main ways to find your items. Another tip, once you find your item, if you want to see the quality on it before you even buy it, what I use personally is Plug. For me, it's a QC check. Sometimes it hits, sometimes it doesn't. But I'm definitely having a link down below so you guys can go ahead and check it out. All right, bet. So once you found what you wanted and you added it to your cart, let's go ahead and check out our cart right here. I wanted like this chrome hat, it's clean, chrome fitted. Bro, make sure that prompt really doesn't matter at all and submit it. The only thing you're gonna be checking right here is the country and your payment. So a plus is that they use PayPal for payment and it's way safer. If anything goes wrong, PayPal got you. And that's about it. You bought your first item. It's gonna be sent to your warehouse. So once you purchase your items, it's gonna take about 6-7 days. Okay, it's gonna take about 3 to 4 days. And it's gonna be at your warehouse, and that's when you're gonna do a rehearsal package, and then you're gonna ship your parcel out. So instead of waiting 3 to 5 days to wait for this, in my haul, I'm just gonna show you guys an example of it from my bro Jalen. This is what your warehouse is gonna look like. It's gonna be all of the items that you purchase. So this is gonna see your QC pictures on how it looks in hand, and this is the best part of it. I feel like this is literally like right before Christmas, you feel me? You check your QC photos. He got this Balenciaga hoodie right here and make sure everything's good. You're gonna go ahead and click on the item and submit it. And then this is just the pre-rehearsal packaging. So like options for, you know, bubble wrap, vacuum seal, whatever the case may be. Going into the shipping, this is key for me. I live in the US. I only use one shipping, and that is GDEMS. So GDEMS is definitely the only route to go. Like, it definitely takes about no more than 2 weeks, and I've never had a package seized since like Panda Buy days, you feel me? So GDEMS is the route to go. Pick shipping, you're gonna go all the way to the bottom, and this is where you're gonna put your code in again. So you're gonna use Call Chris, and you're gonna get that $15 off of shipping. And overall, this shipping went from like $51 to $37, and that's pretty good. And usually you're not just shipping out one item, you're shipping out an overall haul. It's a little bit better. So keep that in mind, but also there's always shipping coupons to look out for. And that is about it, gang. You officially shipped out your first package. Ready to get fly, you feel me? Pop out, Spreadsheet Warriors, I don't give a fuck, you feel me? If you could look fly, then who gives a fuck? But and that's also, I did not forget, we do have a giveaway coming. All right, so 2 giveaways, one for the 1K, and we just hit 2,000 subscribers, bro. Like, I am geeked. I'm geeked. I appreciate every single one of y'all niggas, for real. We locked in. I'm gonna have a video out on how to enter. It's gonna be very simple, like I said. By starting right now, y'all can just subscribe, comment, and go follow the IG. But yeah, that's about it. I appreciate every single one of y'all niggas. And I'll see y'all in the next one.
I don't trust my bitch.